Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
TV, it's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 0, MCA 0. I'm joined by Ukebs. Bopha mnyama bopha. Bopha mnyama bopha.
Steve, all I can say, it's Egypt versus South Africa.
Sure.
From Cape to Cairo. Steve, I'm not the FF. I'm not supporting the FF.
Yeah.
It's Egypt versus South Africa.
Okay.
Yafiwa, Steve. Steve,
Yeah.
I just want to say a few things about this Buccaneer.
Yes.
This Buccaneer team.
Yes.
Yabona manje.
Yeah.
Stoli team la.
Yes.
Uthi ucoach yethu yahamba Steve.
Yes.
Yasishiya.
Yes.
Mara ilifa siya nalo.
Yeah.
Ndizothe isixhosa ngoku.
Teta.
Ilifa asishiyeke nalo.
Yeah.
Ngenxa yalo coach.
Yeah.
Ndaxelela siyakuthi.
Nyakude.
Steve.
Yeah.
Siyaya kwi-final ngamaBuccaneer.
Yathela.
Kwi-final siyaya.
Yes.
Uba siyonala konje siyana Sundowns andiyazi.
Yeah.
Kodwa nendiyaziyo. One of the games is the final ezodlala la eOrlando.
Sure.
And sobe sikhona sila.
Sure.
That's all I wanted to say.
Man of the match.
Man of the match. Nganikeza uMbokazi. UMbokazi, hey, that young boy, hi man. Hi man. That boy is a gem. That boy is a gem. That's what I want to appreciate about our coach Rivero. Rivero came in and he wakhulisa lezi ngwane ezincane.
Njengonabi.
Hayi man, interview. Bye.